Hello kids. Welcome back to Whiteberyl Kiddies channel. Today we'll be looking into the phonics sounds of alphabets. From alphabet A to alphabet Z. Let's go.
A, a, a.
Apple. A red apple.
B, b, b.
Bee. A busy bee.
K, k, k.
Cat. A cute cat.
D, d, d.
Dog. A dancing dog.
E, e, e.
Egg. A fresh egg.
F, f, f.
Fan. A folding fan.
G, g, g.
Goat. A gray goat. Hat. A fancy hat.
I, I, I.
Igloo. This is an igloo.
J, j, j.
Jar. A jar of candies.
K, k, k.
Kite. A flying kite.
L, l, l.
Lion. A roaring lion.
Mm, mm, mm.
Mug. A round mug.
Mm, mm, mm.
Nest. A big nest.
O, o, o.
Orange. A juicy orange.
P, p, p.
Pig. A muddy pig.
K, k, k.
Queen. A charming queen.
Er, er, er.
Rug. A red rug.
S, s, s.
Sun. A bright sun.
T, t.
Tap. A tiny tap.
A, a, a.
Umbrella. An open umbrella.
V, v, v.
Van. A white van.
W, w, w.
Web. A spider's web.
X, x, x.
X-ray. An X-ray box.
Y, y, y.
Yak. A big black yak.
z, z, z,
Zip. A zipping zip.